Demystifying Robotic Process Automation Certification, what you need to know. Understanding Robotic Process Automation Certification. Robotic Process Automation (RPA) certification is a validation of your skills and expertise in using automation tools to streamline business processes. The importance of RPA certification. RPA certification demonstrates your expertise in this cutting-edge technology, making you a valuable asset to any organization looking to automate their processes. Requirements for RPA certification. While the specific requirements for RPA certification may vary depending on the certification body, most programs will require you to have a basic understanding of programming and a good grasp of RPA concepts and principles. Validity of RPA certification. RPA certification is typically valid for a certain period, after which you may be required to renew your certification by taking a recertification exam or completing additional training courses. Online RPA certification. Many certification bodies offer online RPA certification programs, allowing you to complete the training and exam from the comfort of your own home. Conclusion. In conclusion, obtaining RPA certification is a valuable investment in your future. It can help you stand out in a competitive job market, increase your earning potential, and pave the way for a successful career in the RPA industry.